Hi friends, the objective of this video is to show you the very first step of an apartment renovation. You will see how carefully we plan and proceed with our renovation projects. In this video, we will show you one of our project. This project is about renovating an Haussmannian apartment in the heart of Paris. This is the very first video of the project. In the other videos, we will show you how the project advances. And, in a final video, you will be able to see the end result of our workmanship. A renovation project always starts, or at least, it must start with complete protection of the floor and the furniture. This is very important for the good results. In addition, renovation does not mean that the floor and furniture is damaged. In addition, the protection of the floor and furniture may not look very much important in the renovation work, but, at the end of the project, it makes the difference. You will see it, in the last video of this project, that there will be no stains of paint on the floor. In the other words, if the floor is properly protected, you need not to hire professional cleaners at the end of the project. Luckily, in this project, the apartment was empty. So, we needed only to protect the floor. This you can see in the video, how the floor is protected. You can focus on the angles around the doors and skirting boards. Every effort is made so that the paint does not touch the floor. In addition to this, we used resistant plastic sheets, which are not easily damaged during the work. We always do an extra step for the client's satisfaction. Although floor protection is not a very big thing, but our experiences suggests that most of the clients are already at ease when they look how carefully we protect their property and how smoothly we advance the project. We will come with more videos of this project, which will help you understand our philosophy and way of doing things. Until then, take care and see you soon.